Here at New River, we are able to offer an AWS certification, which we are one of the only places in the state of West Virginia that you can obtain that. So a lot of our students come here for that particular reason. Our students can go out and pretty much work anywhere in the United States or outside of the country if they choose.
I was in the U.S. Army for 10 years as a light wheel vehicle mechanic and a heater and generator mechanic. Welding was a small part of that, and now I'm wanting to further my education and experience in welding.
We are able to get students in a short amount of time, either a 6-month period or a 2-year period. We have some companies that we've really got to know, and the majority of our students that are going out are finding good jobs.
We partner with New River by developing a skilled workforce which leads to high-paying and rewarding careers. There's a huge demand for skilled workers in our community because employers are wanting a trained workforce, and these programs are proven to be very successful.
We are the leaders in Learn and Earn, which is our paid internships that we provide for our students. The opportunity is for linemen, welding, as well as automotive. And some of our partners are Crossroads Chevrolet, Workforce West Virginia, as well as West Virginia Pipeline and Sophia Technofab. So we're really happy that our academic programs are aligned with the workforce needs in West Virginia.
New River is giving me the best start and giving me the fullest extent of training I can get before entering the field.